Your metabolism is a process that takes the food and drinks that you consume and converts it over to energy. Now it can go either fast or slow, but if you're trying to lose weight, we want to keep it going fast. What's going on, Mixon Nights? I'm Nathen Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and in this video I'm going to give you 6 tips on how to speed up your metabolism. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and also turn on your push notifications so you can catch me every week. Tip number 1, eat healthy fats. If you're not familiar with healthy fats, think of things like avocados, flax seeds, fish, nuts for that matter, or even dark chocolate. If you have a healthy fat that I didn't mention, make sure you list it down below because there are a variety of them that you can choose from. Tip number 2, eat smaller meals, but actually eat them every 3 to 4 hours. Eating every 3 to 4 hours helps you control your appetite so you don't overindulge in like maybe a dinner or maybe a lunch for that matter. Tip number 3, drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Word on the street is that if you start off with at least 17 ounces of water, you can boost your metabolism up 30%. That's crazy high. So if you really want to burn this fat, start drinking more water. Tip number 4, get at least 8 hours of sleep a night. If you want to hit peak performance, get more sleep. If you deprive yourself of those Z's, you're going to tell your metabolism to slow down so you can conserve more energy. That in turn is going to cause you to binge a little bit later. So if you want to lose more weight, get some sleep too as well. Tip number 5. Avoid restrictive diets. I want you to avoid diets that are under 1,300 calories. If you're not very disciplined, those diets can definitely destroy your weight loss goals, causing you to binge on more food than normal. Tip number 6, eat more to lose more. Like I said before, restrictive diets can be bad for you. To avoid your metabolism from slowing down for trying to compensate to preserve energy, eat a little bit more. Now when I say eat more, that doesn't mean like start scarfing down pizzas and pies all day. You want to eat really good healthy calories. At the end of the day, these are some great tips to help you kind of learn your body. So if you want to be great, you want to speed the metabolism up, try these tips and put them all together, let them combine like Captain Planet or Voltron, and then you turn into one fat burning machine. I hope this video helps you out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also turn on the push notifications, and I'll catch you next week. Peace.